I'm going to implement the global shortcuts for YouTube now. This is going to be slightly different than the other shortcuts because apparently they only work when the player has focus, whereas these global shortcuts are far more what I actually want, meaning whenever I am on a YouTube page, they're going to work. Talon Wake. mgrid. 5. 9. 8. Drag. mgrid. 3. 9. Drag. Copy that. Focus Sublime. Enter. Paste that. Go up 10th. Go up. Go up. Enter. Enter. Hashtag global shortcuts. Say global shortcuts. Enter. Say play. Space. Bar. Pipe. Space. Say pause. Paren. Delete. Close paren. Right paren. Go away left. Paren. Go away right. $. Go away left. Caret. Go away right. Colon. Space. Funky key. Word key. Args. Crunch. Control Sun. Talon Sleep. So now I have the same file with the exact same command that presses 2 different keys, and I don't like this. So I'm going to go deactivate the spacebar play pause key and instead use the global K play pause key. Talon Wake. Go way up. Go down. Go down. Go down. Say hash. Hash. Control Sun. Now let's go try that. Focus Firefox. Go tab 3. Go tab 3. Play. Pause. That works. Focus Sublime. Go way down. Go up 10th. Go up. Caret. Say mute. Say toggle mute. Say $. colon, space, word key, args, made, go right, enter. Caret, say toggle full screen. Say toggle full screen. Undo that. Undo that. Clear word left. Clear word left. Say toggle full screen. $, colon, space, word key, parens, fine, go right, enter. Caret, say toggle theater mode, colon, go right, go left, go left, $, go right, space, word key, args, trap, go right, enter. Page down. Caret, say toggle mini player mode, $, colon, space, say key, parens, sit, control sun, page down, go away right. Say I don't need to implement escape, comma, because the word escape already presses the escape key. Say because the word escape already presses the escape key. Say because the word escape already presses the escape key. Talon wake. Say because the word phrase escape already presses the escape key. Phrase escape, space, phrase already presses the escape key. Period. Enter. Say also, comma, space, say if you are using Vimium, comma, space, say the escape key won't work because it conflicts with Vimium's say also, comma, say toggle mini screen mode will not work. Say when Vimium is active, comma, Say because I is used to push Vimium in insert mode, period. Dictation mode. Vimium in insert mode, period. Insert mode. Say it is necessary to put Vimium in, say insert mode because putting Vimium in insert mode turns off most of the keys that conflict with YouTube's hotkeys, and then you can use YouTube's hotkeys to control YouTube, period. Talon sleep. Okay, let's test and see how these work. Talon wake. Focus Firefox. Clear word left. Undo that. Dictation mode. Clear word left. Dictation mode. Command mode. Clear line. Focus Firefox. Play. Toggle mute. Toggle full screen. Toggle full screen. Toggle theater. Toggle theater mode. Toggle theater mode. Toggle theater mode. Toggle mini player mode. Toggle mini player mode. Talon sleep. Now all of these commands work. Control sun. Talon wake.